So today, peeps, I'm going to go on the road with my girl just to do a test drive. I'm gonna let my girl drive my car today. Don't know vibes. I'm show her the machine. I always like to show the machine up, peeps. Yeah, man. This is my girl Camille. What you say I got on bills? You ready for test out the machine today?
I give you a pull in the car.
Yeah, give me a pull in the car? So can you drive it?
Well, somewhat. Somewhat.
Alright, peeps, so just a little fun video for you all to, you know, kick it back at home and just to take a watch. So yeah, I hope I take time, you know.
Huh. You never teach me to take time when I learn to drive.
Really? Alright, peeps, so take a little roll out. Alright, peeps, so I'm getting in the car. I wonder if I should put on my helmet right now. Do I need a helmet or not?
Yes, it's gonna be a scary ride.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so, peeps, because she's not that good at gear change as yet, so we're just gonna cruise for a little bit. Alright, peeps, so what I'm gonna let you find just pull over and say that what's up, bro? Everything good?
Yeah.
So you follow the page Motorsportja? Yeah, you like the videos? Alright, cool. So you can just shout out your name. Shout out your name and which school you represent, and shout out some of your friends them same way.
My name is Todd McFarlane and I'm from the 2ZZ-GE Primary and Infant School and I'm the head boy. And I would like to shout out Tyrese, Rodin, and
you don't know your friends them?
no, not that. Not really have too much like that.
Alright, so just big up yourself, bro. So right now, peeps, just big up everybody at the Petersfield Primary. You know that's the school I went. Yeah, man, I went to that school. So big up for me head boy of my school, and make sure you have focus for your book. Stay in school, do the right thing, and make mommy and daddy proud, and come build a fast car like this. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So the little guy just stopped a while ago and just say, yo, I'm a shout out Motorsportja because he always see me on the YouTube, and so you don't know we have a big number of thing, is it?
I'm sure that you're in
Oh, you're setting a mirror? Alright, peeps, back to action. So right now, you don't know your vibes. Safety first, so let me just grab my seat belt. Alright, babes, ready? Make sure you're not style, you know. Alright.
You know what?
Yeah? Go on, huh? Why am I feel like reverse your car, you know, so take your time, put the back on. Alright, let's go. You're nervous though. Yo, peeps, she's so nervous. She's waiting like for every car to pass. You can put back a car in neutral in the meantime, because this is a stage 4 competition clutch, so as you know it's very stiff. Just take your time, ease off the clutch and give it the gas. Alright, you just start.
That go for camera.
That go for the camera?
That can't go for camera now, you're mad.
Oh god, that's going on the camera. Alright, so what do you think you start though?
Because I never dare give out enough gas.
Right, so just take time, tap the gas. Alright, so it's been a while since I taught her, so see what he's going on with again. Take your time, take your time, take your time, take your time. No one hand driving, take your time. Take your time, sing, clutch. Second gear. Look here, please take your time with my clutch.
Alright.
So when you ease it off the clutch, look now. Take your time. Alright, you can ease down now.
What do you need to ease on?
Yeah, you need to ease down. That's too much compression. You're in second gear, you're going too fast in second, you're in a third.
Okay.
Right, so I'm going to ease down, you just ease down.
Alright.
Alright, so she's not that bad. Alright, so you want to see the clutch again, all the way down? I'm going to go third. Alright, go on. Remember, it's not your car, so it's a two-hand driving. And the hand should be right there. Alright, so take your time, Camille.
What do you feel nice?
Calm, take your time. Press the brake, missing. Press brake, missing. Brake it, can missing. Alright, so you brake it just like yours, you just not chop the clutch. Alright. You want to go in a lift a little bit?
No?
Hold on, hold on. She was talking about the hurry road. Watch her face. Yo, she just hurrying. Take your time,
Alright,
take your time.
Remember, I'm gonna drive slow.
Right, so just take your time. Take your time. Slow down. Yo, peeps. She just want to let go of the machine. Brake, brake.
No, man, that's me. I want
It's not like yours. Brake, go on, go on.
to make your fast.
Take your time, bro. Take your time. Brake, you know, you can feel how you brake.
Brakes off on me.
Alright.
Oh, Barbara, could drive for now.
He's someone, he's someone.
What me a pull up? Pull over there, sir? Eh?
Alright. So you want to drive what down the road again?
Yeah.
Alright. Brake it can't come, it's not your car. Press the clutch harder. Camille, the clutch have to press harder than that.
Okay.
Okay?
You know, Sean?
Please don't mash up my car, it just fix up back. You have to press the clutch harder. You notice that you can have to press it harder than that.
Yeah, no, Sean.
Alright, no child, Camille.
My feet good, but me I go too slow.
Listen to me. We don't want you to drive the car fast because you don't really learn the car yet. Okay? I have
Oh,
to
like
learn
how
it.
for brake you and stop it.
Right, you have to learn the steering and all that stuff. You get me? You have to learn it. You can't steer. Because it's not like your car. Everything is totally different than hard, break hard. Stop up your car because
You make me car stall?
Yeah, stop up your car with it. So hold on, they can't manage to go by the gas station or no?
No, me can't manage. Me still on neutral. No, me can't go on the highway. Me no want to start by big line road.
You neutral already?
I put up this.
Huh?
Put on the phone.
Alright, so I'm gonna switch over. Honestly, people, me not like, yo, me feel nervous because this lady like break when she feel break and you know.
No, what? You feel like me can't break when you stop it, but me feel the break.
So what you trying to say? You can manage it?
You can manage it.
Alright. Alright, peeps, so we're gonna take this drive, go home. Alright. Ready, come? Yeah. I'm sweating. So that wasn't a bad drive. You can just rate her in the comment section, but she need more practice, so I will take her on road more often so that she can get some practice. What you say, I go on?
Machine nice.
Machine what?
Sweet.
You just want more practice?
Yes.
So you're gonna take away your car and go truck?
Yeah, I'm driving, go work.
Alright, peeps, so it's my turn. Yeah man, she say she gonna take my the car and drive it to work. Which me know that's a lie. Yeah. Woo! I'm so hot. Alright, look. So she's asking me how to do it. No, because look, me try to teach you times, but you know, you will get it over the time I'm taking on the road. So look, first I just take a time and ease off the clutch. Look at my foot. Look, you can shine the camera. up the clutch all entirely, you know, just like
Continue.
halfway, and then when time the car start moving, just let it go.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, I need to practice. with
Right,
that.
so look again. I don't give it gas like I didn't do that. Because if I do that, if I do that, say for example I do like this, that is what's going to happen. Right? So just take your time.